Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture into a graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select some data and make a graph. Go to the insert menu, select the column or bar chart option. Now I am select the column chart. Now we want to insert picture into this graph. Go click right button and select the format chart area option. Then select the picture or texture fill option. We can see here automatically added the carted picture. You can cut another picture. Click outside and go to the insert menu. Select the picture option and select this device. Then go to your picture folder and insert the image. Now I am select this image, click insert. Then go to the home menu, select the cut option. Then select the start and select the picture or texture field, choose the clipboard and automatically pasted the picture. Now we can see we insert a picture into graph in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.